Good Wednesday evening, everyone, and welcome back. Nice quiet conditions after a sunny and mild day again here across the Red River Valley. We've got some increasing clouds here in Fargo, but overall our weather's quiet. 30 degrees, feels like 24. Wind is light for now, out of the south at just 6 miles per hour. Meanwhile, in Grand Forks, a few clouds. 25 degrees, feels like 16, with wind out of the northwest at 8 miles per hour. So you can see the change in wind direction from the south to the north is an indication of a cold front passing through. First, let's talk about our temperatures. 29 in Thief River Falls, 25 in Hallock, Langdon, Wadena, 32 in Jamestown, 34 the warm spot right now up in Baudette. Satellite and radar. So talked about that wind direction change as an indication of the placement of a cold front. Clouds can also help us. So right ahead of the front is the cloud cover. Behind it is some clear sky. So front is right about there if I were to roughly draw it. Ahead of it we have that band of clouds and just a few very light snow showers being picked up on radar. These are likely very low and shallow clouds, so it could be that radar is just overshooting the tops of them and frankly missing them. But overall, there hasn't been a lot of indication so far all evening long that the precipitation has been making it to the ground, so very few and far between. All right, now let's talk about the wind. Ahead of the front, our wind has had more of a southerly component. So we're seeing south winds in Fargo, Fergus Falls, Alexandria, Thief River Falls, and behind the front, our wind is going to shift northerly. So here you see in Langdon, Devil's Lake, Jamestown, the wind has a northwesterly component. So just like with the cloud cover, there we go. We can kind of roughly draw the location of that cold front. All right, here's what you can expect for tonight. We're not windy yet. That wind is to come right on our heels. This is by 3 o'clock in the morning. I have a pause point here. Temperatures still in the 20s, mostly cloudy skies, and that wind ramping up once that cold front completely passes through out of the north, gusting 25 to 35 miles per hour through the overnight period. By tomorrow morning, here we are, 7:30, when you're getting ready to send the kids to the bus stop, a couple of yellow arrows start to pop in. That's gusts over 30 miles per hour. So we're talking gusts possibly up to 40 miles per hour by the early morning hours, and we're going to stay gusty through the entirety of the day. And notice this, temperatures will be falling through the day with clearing skies as well. So we can expect a little bit more sunshine once the front passes. So your lunchtime hour looking much sunnier than the morning. However, it's not going to feel too nice outside with that strong wind and the falling temperatures. However, the winds will taper as we head towards the evening hours, and the strongest of the wind is going to shift to the east as the main area of low pressure slides off to the east. Here's what our wind gust potential looks like starting off right in the morning. So the strongest wind gusts are going to be before the lunchtime hour. We could easily see gusts over 45 miles per hour. Temperatures for your hometown forecast. This is 3 o'clock. Teens and 20s, but mind you, your high temperatures for the day, at least for most of us, are going to be first thing in the morning. Here's what your extended forecast looks like. Patchy blowing snow is a possibility for the morning hours of tomorrow. Then Friday, again, we're going to see cooler behind that. So Friday morning is looking chilly, single digits either side of 0. Then we warm up back to seasonable temperatures. We're right back to the warmth, though, as we head into the weekend. Saturday, Sunday, looking mostly sunny, and Valentine's Day bringing some love to the forecast. Looks like the warmest day of the week. A little cooler for Wednesday.
Even the low, it's like mid-20s.
Yeah,
yes.
There's helps to have some cloud cover.
Ooh,
so
go.
Can't go stargazing with your Valentine, but cloud gazing maybe. It'll be nice out.
We'll take the warmth.